Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to teach you how you can create a notepad application using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So here I already have my HTML files and CSS file folder created, so I assume everyone knows that. So let's get started. Opening my HTML elements. So here I'm going to edit the document, my title, and add the notepad app. Notepad app. And also I've created my CSS file already, so I'm going to link it with the link elements, link red style sheets, style.css. So I'm linking my files. And over to the body tag, we're going to create a BR element. For those of you who don't know, the BR element represents a line break. So the BR element is a line break. And the H1 element represents a section heading. So which is I'm going to use Samsung Notes. Okay. So and next is this text area. The next element I'm going to add is the text area. So the text area defines the text area element represents a multi-line plain text edit control for the element row value. Like the content of the control represent the control's default value. So I'm going to add an ID text area and the columns, the visible width of the text control in average character width, and also the rows. Let's make it 15, and 15 is okay. And also I think we add one more line break here, element, and a button element. Let's use the ID save notes. ID save notes. Okay. Then after that, in this application I want to add three buttons. I'll use clear, the save button, clear, and load button. So for the clear button, I'm going to use a related ID name also, which is a clear note also. So I'm going to name the button clear, and here I'll name the button clear. So the next button is the load button. Just the same way I created other buttons, I'm also going to create this the same way. And my ID load notes, and name my button load. And okay, and that's it. Now let's see how this looks like. This structure looks like in our Google Chrome. Here is it. So now let's style it, and here I'm going to style our notepad application. Okay, let's add our comments, add your CSS style here, and this is a tag for comments in our HTML file. So let's get first with the body element, and let's start the body. Let's use our font family, Arial sans serif is okay. I think. Okay. And the next is our text align. Let's make it center and a background color. I want it to be some kind of white and some kind of gnocchi, so let's make it a RGB instead of white. RGB 236 231 or 3231 exactly. Now let's style our head elements, our H1, the head section. Let's make the color I think black color is okay. Let's give it a black color. For the font family, I don't know the exact font to give it, but maybe let's give it anyone that's cool. Franklin, Goodley, medium, Arial, narrow, Arial sans serif is okay. I think so. Okay. Now let's make our text align left. Note you the current element we are styling right now is the element, the Samsung. If you remember the H1 element here we wrote our Samsung notes. Yeah, that is what we are styling right now. So the text align should be left, and margin left like 170 pixel is okay, and font size, let's give it 20 pixel. Good. So the next element we will style is our text area element. Our text area element, this is where we are going to type in the notes. Okay, so I'll give it the width of 80 pixel, 80 pixel tpx, and tpx. Let's give it a padding also. Padding maybe 10 px is okay. 10 px, and margin of 20 px auto is good. Border, the next should be border right here. Let's give it a border of 3px solid white. Yeah, border of 3px solid white. I think white is a hash ccc triple c. I think that's white color, right? And border radius of 10px. It's okay, 10px. Let's give it a background color of white, but not so white like that. Maybe kind of a milk color, something like that. RGB 255, maybe 255, 255, 255 is okay. Yeah. Okay. So now let's type the buttons. Yeah, the 3 buttons. So let's create the first button element here. Okay, I think font size, yeah, 30px, then let's type the button. Yeah, padding 10px, 30px is okay. 10px, 30px, and our font size, let's give it a 16px is good. Yeah, 16px. But let's give it a margin of maybe 10px, margin 10px, and our cursor, let's make our cursor to be pointer. Yeah, and the border radius 10px also. I don't want the border radius to be curved so much, so I think 10px is okay. So let's give you an individual styling to the buttons. So now let's target each buttons and give it a good style. Let's start the save note button. Let's give it the background color of milk, the same color we gave our note, our text area. That's the same color we are going to give our same background color for our button, and our color black and border 2px. So I think I'm going to use this same style for the first button also. I just need to change the button IDs and give it a different IDs. Button clear notes and button clear notes. So I think is okay if the buttons have same design, same color and everything. So let's give it a color black, just like our save note button, and the border 2px. So I'll do the same in my button load note. Yeah, in my load note button, let's do my button hashtag load notes, and the background color, same background color, same black color, and border 2px. So that's it. Okay, and we are almost done. The border 2px, we are almost done, and that's just it. Let's see how it looks like. So here is what we got, and this is quite simple, and I kind of like the drag features on the text area. Also the simple Samsung design here is quite looking good, and thank you for watching the video today. And maybe in my next video I'm going to add a JavaScript function to make our buttons function, and also add some complex features to this application. And right now it's quite boring to me. So maybe see you in my next video. Thanks for watching today, and yeah, see you.